All right, do you want to start selling online in 2026 but you don't know where to begin? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple 5-step process that you can follow to start selling online, even if you have no prior knowledge. By the way, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, Ecommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing, and web design. So if you're trying to sell online, this is the best channel you can stick to. So let's get right into it. The first step on the list is to find a product you want to sell. You have to pick a product that you want to sell. For you to sell online, you must have something to present to sell. It could be a service, it could be a product, it could be a digital product. So whichever one you want to sell, make sure you're selling something that solves a problem. Let's say you want to pick a digital product. Are you going to sell an ebook? Are you going to sell a video course? Are you going to sell a template? So let's say you want to go for a physical product. Are you going to sell clothing? Are you going to sell shoes? Are you going to sell bags? Are you going to sell skincare products? You have to pick something. And let's say you want to also sell something like an affiliate product. Which product do you want to sell? You have to sell something that people are constantly searching. It could be a digital product that can help people transform their pictures into a pixel perfect picture. So these are tools that you can sell online. That's step one. Then step two is for you to pick a platform where you're going to sell these products. Let's say you have gotten a product to sell. Where do you sell it? You don't sell on the sky. You need to pick somewhere, a platform where people hang out, where you can showcase your business or your product for them to buy. So we have several places you can sell online. You can sell on social media. You can use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and every other platform like WhatsApp to sell your products as well. You can also use online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Jumia, Konga, and all of those online marketplaces, even Facebook marketplace. You can use those platforms to sell your product. You can also sell with your own website. Let's say you have a website that is actively running. You can use it to sell your own product. Step three is to promote your business online. You need to promote your product. Now you have a product. Now you have a platform where you want to sell. Let's say you have picked a product, you want to sell it on Facebook. Then you still need to promote this business. How do you go about it? You can use what I call Facebook advertising. You can use Instagram advertising. You can use TikTok advertising. You can use even Google advertising to promote your business online. You don't have to rely on organic means of selling. And you can also use content creation to sell. All you have to do is just to make videos of a product, post them online so that people can see them and buy from you. Step four is for you to build your online store, but this is optional for a beginner. You might not want to build a website immediately, but you can get a landing page that is cheaper for you to sell. All you have to do is just to write a copy about your product, put testimonials on your landing page, and then put it out there for people to buy. It could be an online store. In my next video, I'm going to show you a very simple way to create a very simple online store for a beginner to sell online. So, but this option is not compulsory. You can decide not to sell with a landing page or with an online store. So whichever one you pick, that's absolutely fine. So the step four is for you to do what? Deliver. As soon as you start selling online, people would want you to deliver. They want you to reply your DMs as fast as possible. You must take care of your DMs and respond as fast as possible. Deliver your product as fast as possible. Also request testimonials from your previous buyers. Anyone that buys from you, please request testimonials from them, because that testimonial is what will help you sell to other people who have been seeing your post but they are not convinced, because selling online is all about building trust. You need to make sure you build trust in the eyes of the people, and you can use content creation to achieve that. Always make sure you are actively posting on your social media handles, on your Facebook, Instagram. Use reels, use content, written content, use any means available to sell online. I've been selling online since 2018 and I'm still selling up to today, and these are steps I would take if I'm to start all over again. As soon as that is done, make sure you deliver. Make sure, let's say you are selling a physical product, for instance, get a good delivering agent that is going to deliver your product wherever it is. Then from time to time you run promotional ads. You can decide to run promo, Christmas promo, Easter promo, and New Year promo for your customers so that they can buy from you. These are simple things you can do to sell online. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to create an online store to sell your product. Let's say you have started selling and you're making a lot of sales. Now you want to scale. You will need an online store to help you sell better. And in my next video, I will do that. If you got value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.